In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Ubersuggest Chrome extension. By the end, you'll know how to install it and use it on Google and YouTube to quickly gauge search demand, competition, and opportunities for both web pages and videos. First, open your browser and search for the Chrome Web Store. In the store's search box, type Ubersuggest. You're looking for the official Ubersuggest extension. Before you add it, glance at the listing details to make sure it looks legitimate and has solid reviews. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome and confirm. Your browser will install the extension, and you should see its icon appear near your address bar, indicating it's ready to go. Now let's put it to work. Head to youtube.com and type a topic into the search bar. Think of this as your seed keyword, something broad enough to describe your niche, like meal prep, budget travel, or productivity tips. Don't worry about perfect phrasing yet. We'll refine as we go. Next, open a new tab and search that same term on Google. Once the results load, click View All Where Applicable to expand the Ubersuggest insights. Right in the search bar, the extension displays monthly search volume, cost per click, and SEO difficulty. Volume tells you how often people search that term. CPC is what advertisers pay per click, which hints at commercial intent. SEO difficulty estimates how competitive it is to rank organically. Use these three metrics together. High volume with moderate difficulty is generally a sweet spot. The same approach works with YouTube. Go back to YouTube, enter your seed word again, and click Search. As you type, the extension surfaces keyword suggestions along with estimated search volume. This is perfect for video SEO because it helps you match your titles and topics to what viewers are actively looking for. Try scanning the suggestions to find variations that keep strong volume but may be less competitive. On the YouTube results page, the extension also shows difficulty and volume for potential video tags. This helps you choose tags that align with your content and have a realistic chance to gain visibility. Aim for a mix. A few broader terms for reach, plus more specific phrases that your video can dominate. That's it. With Ubersuggest installed, you can quickly validate ideas on Google and YouTube, prioritize topics by demand and difficulty, and refine your titles, descriptions, and tags with confidence. Happy researching, and I'll see you in the next video.